Strong environmental laws and institutions are essential for planetary health, nature, pandemic recovery, and resilience. They underpin the successful implementation of any environmental goal, policy, or commitment, including the 2030 Agenda for Sustainable Development and its Sustainable Development Goals. At the 4th United Nations Environment Assembly held in 2019, Member States agreed an ambitious 10-year intergovernmental programme on environmental law. The 5th Montevideo Programme on the Development and Periodic Review of Environmental Law, or the Montevideo Environmental Law Programme, kicks off a decade of action on environmental law. The programme's vision is to promote the development and implementation of environmental rule of law, strengthen the related capacities in countries, and contribute to the environmental dimension of the 2030 Agenda for Sustainable Development. To achieve this, the programme has 6 objectives supported by 9 strategic activities. The Montevideo Environmental Law Programme is implemented by UNEP with the strategic guidance of an intergovernmental steering committee for implementation and a global network of national focal points designated by each member state. This global network on environmental law is complemented by strong partnerships with stakeholders for implementation. The programme partners with academia, civil society, the private sector, secretariats of multilateral environmental agreements, UN agencies, and intergovernmental organisations. The digital backbone of the programme is UNEP's Law and Environment Assistance Platform, or UNEP LEAP. This coordination and delivery platform allows member states to directly request support from UNEP and partners, and provides a comprehensive and searchable knowledge base of relevant environmental legislation, cases, model laws, and other guidance products. 2020 to 2030 is a make-or-break decade for the environment and guaranteeing the protection of our planet. UNEP is proud to support a flagship intergovernmental programme on environmental law that will help countries take the necessary steps toward a better future.